Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to quickly talk about the new ON 4K Plus streaming device. So we saw leaks about this device a couple weeks ago, and a lot of people are on the fence whether this is a hoax, whether this is a real device, just because of how it looks as far as the presence of the box, the colors. We see blue and red versus the yellow. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's officially confirmed that the new ON 4K Plus is available. It is being sold from Walmart, and we're going to jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So like I said, I'm not going to stretch this video out too much, just confirm some of the details as far as the price, talk about the availability maybe, and just the overall feel about this device altogether. So the new ON 4K Streaming Plus is going to be on the lower end as far as compared to the ON 4K Streaming Pro, and we'll get into the specs here in a little bit, but this is meant to directly compete with your Chromecast or replace a Chromecast with Google TV that was recently discontinued from Google. So this morning I was able to open the Walmart app and I saw it there. You can see it was at least listed, which is a good sign, but a couple things to take away. We do know the form factor of the device itself. It is a smaller device, just basic inputs. So it is going to have the main power port as well as the HDMI in. The remote itself is going to be the new remotes, and this is going to be the updated remote with the free TV addition to the remote. And with that remote, we should also have backlight capabilities, but we'll confirm that once we're able to get our hands on the device. As far as the box itself, like I said, this is a departure of what we've seen from ON in the past. ON devices are known to come in a yellow box. Can't miss them. However, with this time, they decided to go with the blue box, red side. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Maybe it's just to kind of spice it up a little bit, but really I can't see a good reasoning behind it. As far as the price, we finally got a price confirmed for this device. So the price on the new ON 4K Plus streaming device is going to be $29.88, and that puts it below the Fire TV Stick 4K Max at the $30 range, also below the ON 4K Streaming Pro. So what I'm thinking is that ON is putting out a device that's going to be a lower end device than the 4K Streaming Pro, which retails for about $50. Now, as far as the specification, this is going to be a 4K streaming device. Of course, you can see there it is new for 2025. It's going to have the free TV button, which is going to give you access to over 800 plus free TV channels. It is going to have fast Wi-Fi, it says, but I haven't confirmed if it's Wi-Fi 6. This is going to have the updated Google TV OS, Google Assistant. It's going to have YouTube, Paramount, Disney, all the normal streaming apps, as well as Dolby Atmos. Now, just a little bit further down, the native resolution is going to be 4K UHD. So that's important to keep in mind. The RAM is going to be 2 gigs of RAM, but one thing they failed to mention in this specification overview is the amount of memory or storage that's installed. I believe it's going to be on the lower end, so we're looking at 8 gigs, maybe 16, but again, until I'm able to get my hands on the device, I'm not going to confirm any details, but hopefully I'll have it in my hands very soon. So in order to get this, so this is one of those things, whenever ON releases a new device, sometimes it doesn't show up on the application, and you might have to go into the store to kind of ask around to see if you can receive it, which I'll be doing a little bit later on today. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to pick up this device. Let me know how you were able to grab it. Also, are you planning to pick this device up? Just knowing where it fits in the lineup. So again, it is going to be about on par as far as price with the Fire TV Sticks 4K, maybe not the 4K Max, but it is going to be a lower tier than the ON 4K Streaming Pro. With that in mind, at a $20, $15 price difference, would you rather just go ahead, grab the ON 4K Streaming Pro versus grabbing this device, which is going to offer less features? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.